That shit is him. That
He
shit
is one of them.
What about the odds? Them niggas a bitch, they get hit twice on one up on him, I think it's 6 feet in the ground. Hit his ass out in his legs and he gets
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy SCJ back with another video, back with another banger, man. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're doing a drift tune on the SRT 392, man. Shout out to JJ Peanut Butter, man. The guy, the myth, the legend himself, he's here.
What's up, guys?
You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're gonna put the beta on my car. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be running this tune September 7th, so be there.
So we've been working, Underground, we've been doing a lot of R&D behind the scenes. We didn't even announce the Super Pack. Like, we've already had customers coming in for the Super Pack, but we're literally gonna drop it when Lynn dropped his full video on it.
Hey, man, if you got a cat, Super Pack is away.
Super Pack and Super Pack Attack. And we still got the Power Pack still coming up for the scats. It's almost done.
Should I do it, guys? Let me know.
The new one, drift mode.
Hey, man, all the takeover boys, I know y'all like drifting, you know what I'm saying? But we going to the legal pit boys, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. We gonna be there, man. Hey.
So we got the drift mode beta on that car. Beta means it's almost complete, but it's gonna run a few more tests. We're gonna put the beta version on AJ's car as well.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna go out later and
y'all gonna see.
Drift mode. So this is all tied in with the new transmission tunes. So if you buy a transmission tune, you're gonna get drift mode and race mode. If you buy advanced barbels or super barbels with drift mode, that's when it goes. That's when it goes crazy.
Hey, upgrade your car today, bro. Cause your car is trash. It's slow. Upgrade your car right now, man. Tap in with JJ Peanut Butter.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a boy 5.7 right here tuned.
You know what I'm saying? Got my boy.
In the meantime,
345 Bonnie finna get a tune by Underground. I finally didn't convince him to do it, y'all. Go tune into his YouTube channel as well. For the 5.7 owners, it's a good tune, bro. Like, so tap into his channel so y'all can see what it's do. You know what I'm saying? Underground away, man. Underground or no way. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it.
Yep. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
Getting it striker easy, all you need is a pro pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Don't even start it up, put in new.
I'll see you in a little bit, my good sir.
All right now. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, yeah, I did it. Every time I look my wrist, and I'm like, yeah, I did it. Every time I look my man, so we just finally got the tune put on. We got my boy Vaughn right here. He just got his tune as well, as you can see.
It be loud as fuck,
the baby RT, the baby SRT, I'ma call it, you know what I'm saying? It is kind of tough though. Like, look at the gauges, y'all. Should we do that to the SRT? Let me know. But he do got the Underground tune now, y'all. So tune into his channel. I'm about to put his link in the description, man. Man, we just left the shop. We just left Underground tune in the shop, man. We got the tune put on.
Hey, yeah, put me in there.
You got my boy right now, man.
Hey, I know it.
They putting the tires on right now, man.
Right,
you know what I'm saying? If y'all on the east side, man, where I'm at, y'all know where to come, man.
Railway tires, you already know.
Tap in with them, man. They always give me right, y'all, so tap in with them. But with that being said, man, we just got the tune put on, the drift tune. We getting some tires put on right now. We finna link up back with Jordan, JJ Peanut Butter, as y'all know him. And we finna rip some tires, man. We finna get to this, let y'all hear the tune, let y'all see what it's doing, man, because it's coming soon to y'all, man, for y'all to have as well. So I'm gonna test it out, tell y'all what I like about it, if it's a good tune, if y'all should do it, man. I'm gonna be real authentic with y'all. My boy, man. Yo. My mama, them boys getting me right, man. Yo.
Really certified,
yo, them boys getting me right, man. Y'all know where to come, man. Yo.
Heard that nigga died from them bullets, it ain't cancer. Mama say I'm crazy cause I think I love a dance. Mama say I'm crazy cause I think I love a dancer.
Alright, y'all, man, so we got the tires on. I'm gonna let y'all hear it where it sounds like in the car. I got the windows down so y'all can kind of hear it. But we'll hit it a little bit. It sound like gunshots if you ask me. Hey, man, say, man, I'm gonna insert some clips at nighttime because me and Jordan are gonna go link up and do some drifting together. But I'm gonna show some clips of it looking at night and what it looks like with the flames, y'all, man. So y'all can see what it will look like if you get a 392, and it will look like this on an RT if you got a 5.7 or a V6. y'all can see, man, we is finna try to tune, y'all, with the man, the myth, the legend himself. You know what I'm saying? We got both cars out here, y'all. So we finna see what's hitting for, man. What it's finna do, man.
Test out some drift mode features, so.
Hey, man.
Let's see how crazy this shit is.
Hey, comment below what y'all think, man. Comment below what y'all think of the tune. We finna practice it. We finna see what it's hitting for. Yeah, man.
What the fuck, bro? That shit is him. That shit is him, man. Hey, I might have to go get that myself, man. I don't know. Comment down below. What should I do, man?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I was posting like my stories and shit. Man, as y'all can see, bro, we just slid, tried it on my car. I like it. It's performing great, man. You know what I'm saying? Underground Tuning tried it on his cat as well, and it is insane. Y'all saw the clip before this, man. It is insane, y'all. So we're gonna do a couple more runs, I believe, when the sun come down just a tad bit more so y'all can see the flames a little bit more. And yeah, man, successful tune though, man. Go get your tune, man. Link in description.
You hit my hoe, that bitch a hoe, it really ain't that deep. Niggas, how y'all won't smoke, don't even got no teeth. Come and pop that pussy on me, baby.
Hey, it's like this every day in St. Louis. It's always lit, man. You got my dog.
Watch this, watch this.
Hi. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down here. I'm sorry.
Look.
That nigga asshole.
How much is your tires? Be dead ass. Don't bullshit. How much?
They fucked up. My tires like $80 a piece.
How much is yours?
Brand new. No saying.
Damn, brand new. Fuck.
I like talking about Doughboy, man. Fuck niggas.
If y'all slide for the night, I'll buy one of y'all tires.
50? Give me 50, I'll slide. 50 for both. That's 100.
You just told me 80.
That's for brand new, that's used. 50 is used, 50 is used.
Who shit is this?
50 is used, 50 is used. Hey though, I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all kinda embarrassing. KC do it better. Y'all can't do shit. I'm tired of seeing this. You know what I'm saying? I got KC text me like, AJ, what's going on? Hold on. What the fuck is out there? I see EcoBoost Mustangs.
Yo, nigga.
What are you talking about?
Damn, why you talking about?
What are you talking about, y'all?
Yo.
This nigga lost a tire too.
Come on now.
What happened?
Bro, my shit was overheating.
You might know when to stop, bro, for real.
He fogged out twice and then it overheated.
That's somebody from KC? That Mustang from KC, ain't it?
That's Lucas shit.
See? You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that's
what I'm talking about. Niggas gotta pull out here with both their cars, cause y'all niggas don't slide. I seen him sliding both his cars.
Y'all niggas don't slide.
Why don't I slide?
You probably want to turn that camera around,
Faggot.
buddy.
You know how to slide. Mute that. Big enough. You know how to slide. Mute that. No, you definitely know how to slide. Let me slide, Debbie.
What's up, y'all? Damn, my hair look a mess. But yeah, we outside with it, you know, we outside. If you ain't outside.
If your girl here, man, leave her. Cause if this your girl, leave her. Why is she out here? What is going on?
What are you talking about?
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Hey man, say man, that's gonna end the video, y'all. Hopefully I got enough clips, y'all. We got the tune on the car, man, as y'all can see. Just drifted it, man. Just went crazy in it, man. Spam this like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get over 100 likes on this video, bro. Like, I feel like a lot of y'all watching, but y'all not hitting the like button, man. Subscribe. 80% of y'all not subscribed, so subscribe. I'm finna get back consistent, man. Tell me in the comments to be consistent, bro, and I will be consistent, man. But stay tuned for the next video. Let me know what y'all wanna see, man. Let's get it.
10,000, I ain't left my room yet. Another 20, that's a dub, nigga, we ain't lose yet. Cussing this bitch out, I be having rule 6.